Alright, we're recording, and I have the wired mic adapter on. Let's see how that sounds. See how it picks up the music. Lose the music for now. Got to mess with my damn glucose alarm. Keeps going off. High glucose reading, which it always does after I eat. Going off again. I have the windsock on the microphone, so hopefully that eliminates a lot of the wind noise. Goddamn alarm going off on my glucose meter again. Hate traffic. This should give me much better audio. Mic's close to my mouth, so hopefully the speed won't affect the audio too much. And when we get back home, we'll look at both of these videos and see how she works. Nice bet. See how the music picks up while we're driving. Try a different song. Gypsy Man by War. Always somebody got to cut you off. I don't know. Mike's under my chin. I'm wearing my full face helmet. It would be in my helmet. Don't need the music anymore. Just wanted to see how it picked up by the microphone. be less of a problem with my touring windshield. Right now I've got my 9-inch sport bearing on, or windshield bearing on. Windscreen. Where the touring is a 12-inch. It blocks a lot more of the wind. Goddamn glucose meter. Fucking thing's always going off when I'm riding my bike. And I can't do anything about it. Supposed to get about 80 minutes of video on this 64K or megabyte card. I have two 256K that I'm going to use for the trip. Pretty bumpy in this construction zone. Okay, stopped at a light. Audio ought to improve quite a bit. Listen to some more music. See, the sound cord's going to be in the way on this. I got to come up with a better way of securing it. Some Velcro, maybe. Secure it to the stick so you don't see it. Really bumpy. it cranked up. Want to see how it sounds. Goddamn glucose alarm. Wonder how the exhaust sounds. Alright. Go back in the yard, take this down. Check out the videos on my computer. Alright, cutting off.